What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on XRP because this coin right now is breaking really important resistance area, and also for the past couple of days we had here a pump around like 120%. So right now we are having here an increased bullish volume. If you are interested about the exact trades that I'm planning to take on this coin, and also if you are interested about the exact price that I think this coin is gonna hit, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday analysis on the altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you are interested in that, you can check it out, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on a daily time frame. Right now you can see that we are trying to break this bearish order block, which is between levels 1.031 and 0.972. You can see that we were under this area for about like 1000 days. So this is really important resistance. So right now, if we will do here a support confirmation, this will be, in my opinion, one of the best long opportunities that you can take right now. The exact trade can then look, for example, like this. So entry will be above this bearish order block after a support confirmation. This is extremely important because right now we only took liquidity above, because a lot of people who were opening a short position somewhere in these areas, they probably put their stop losses above this bearish order block. So with this candle, we just took that really important liquidity, and right now we are waiting for either fake out or for a support confirmation. And if this result as a support confirmation, only then you can open here a long trade. The stop loss, in this case, you want to place under this bearish order block, because if there will be breakdown with the resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down. So you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. Your last take profit target, you can then definitely place on really high levels. So me personally, I'm definitely thinking about something like 1.7 for this trade, something like this. I'm not saying that this is gonna be a final price that XRP is gonna hit in this bull market, but in my opinion, for this trade, this can be a really great long scenario. Your risk reward ratio within this last take profit target will be like 9.1. That's, in my opinion, really great. But don't forget that there is absolutely zero guarantee that we are gonna hit this last take profit target. So you want to take multiple take profit targets. Some of the profits you then want to take definitely like around this level, so around the level like 1.3, something like that. Definitely something under like 1.25, 1.4, then 1.6, and then you want to save something to a last take profit target. So in the end, from the risk reward ratio like 9.1, the risk reward ratio is going to be like more like 5, 6, something like that, which is, in my opinion, still absolute wonderful scenario. So definitely keep looking on this daily time frame, and if we will see here a support confirmation, this can be a first interesting long opportunity. And if you want to know about all the interesting trades and all the interesting setups that I'm currently watching, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I am sharing these types of analysis every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. If you want to create here some trading position on a lower time frame, then for example on the 4-hour chart, you can see we don't have any interesting support or resistance areas that we can use to our advantage, because historically in this area we are having absolutely zero liquidity. If we are gonna switch to a 1-hour chart, then yeah, we are having here a few setups. The main one that I'm watching right now is associated with this bullish order block, which is between level 0.899 and 0.861. And if we are gonna retest this area, and there will be a liquidity grab with the support confirmation, I want to use also this as a potential long entry. Stop loss, in this case, you want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out, and because we are on the 1-hour chart, you don't want to risk more than 1% of your trading capital per this trade, and your last take profit target in this case, because like on the 1-hour chart we are having here like absolutely zero liquidity. So yeah, definitely you can use like potential resistances on a daily time frame, but right now you can see that the resistances that we made like 1000 days ago are right now really not that important. So maybe it's better take your last take profit targets or like all your take profit targets based on the risk reward ratio. So for a trade like this, my final CP would be around like 1.3, so let's say slightly under that, and this will give you risk reward ratio like 10.37. So even if you will take multiple take profit targets, which I'm again highly recommending, then your final risk reward is going to be like 7.5, something like that, which is another absolutely amazing trade. The same setup you can trade if there will be breakdown with a resistance confirmation, then again you can watch this lower bullish order block. This will give you even better entry, because the fake out, if it's gonna be like really good setup, will be kinda small, because this bullish order block it's also small, so it can be like 3%, and if we are gonna again speculate on 1.3, the risk reward ratio is gonna be like 21. But for now, the main setup that I'm watching is associated with this first bullish order block, and to this order block to be reached, there needs to be a drop around like 11% of a net market, which I think is definitely possible after this huge pump. I know that a lot of you are really hyped about the XRP, but you need to understand that we are under this important resistance for more than 1000 days. So right now, this pump can still be over on this point, because if there won't be that support confirmation that I'm waiting for, this coin won't probably go up. And if we will see here another resistance confirmation, this will be more like a short trade scenario, because yeah, I know that the stop loss here will be really bad, because it will be like 13.13%. So even if we are gonna speculate to like these previous levels, the risk reward ratio will be only 3.5. so this is definitely not a trade that I would take, but I just need to say that right now you need to be really careful. But if there will be that support confirmation, or if the conditions, for example, on the 1 hour chart will be met, only then I am planning to open here my trading positions. The last chart that I want to show you is a weekly time frame, because here we have this bearish order block on a weekly chart, which is between levels 1.345 and 1.122. I know that this is looking like a really important resistance, but we didn't test it. This area for right now, this will be like 1100 days, which is like absolutely insane. So right now, I am not taking this resistance area that seriously. And for me, this one on the daily time frame is much better. But if you will open some trading position on a daily time frame, then you should definitely use this weekly area as your potential take profit target. So for example, first profit you will take on the level 1.1199, then for example something above this area, and then after we will take important liquidity like above the level 1.34, because then again, without the support confirmation, there is higher probability of a potential fake out. But right now, this will be all from me for today. Definitely let me know in the comments, what do you think is the price that XRP is gonna hit in this bull market? And of course, I will be really happy if you join my Discord trading group, where I'm sharing these types of analysis every single day, or if you consider subscribe to my YouTube channel so you wouldn't miss out on any of my new video. But yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.